Good morning everyone and welcome to today's math lesson. This math lesson we are going to be focusing on moving on to division this week. So our first learning intention is, can I share equally? And the things we need to think about when we are looking at this is, what is the total number? Now the total number when you are sharing is going to be the biggest number, because that's the number you are sharing. So then you think about how many groups are there. So you've got this total number, for example 10, and you're sharing it into groups of 2. So that would give you the division sum of 10 divided by 2, because 10 is the biggest number, that's the one you are sharing, so that should always go first. Once you have split it into groups of, into 2 equal groups, you then think about how many are in each group. Now, when you're just sharing equally, you think about how many groups there are first, and then you look and notice how many are in each group. When you are looking at thinking about division as grouping, that's when it says, for example, put them into groups of 2, you've already got how many are in each group, but you're working out how many groups there are altogether. Okay?